I just wanted to pop in and say hello. Thank you so much for watching and clicking this video. Today we are going to be making filet mignon with some shrimp and with mashed potatoes and a little bit of a Cajun cream sauce. This recipe is really good if you want to treat yourself or treat somebody else. You can never go wrong with Surf and Tough, and I hope you enjoy. Also, while you're here, please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment, share it to somebody, and also make sure you check out my Instagram where I drop daily tips, recipes, and all things cooking, design, and anything in between. Thank you again.